Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 32 of the Cougar Connection. We had a great week at SMS last week as students completed their BPIs. We almost are completely finished. We have just a handful of students who have yet to exit interview, and we hope to knock those out this week. Students also enjoyed their first ever Chick-fil-A breakfast here at SMS, so that was also a lot of fun. We had a taste testing event at the high school that some of our students participated in, helps choose the menu items for next year, and we had our drama production of the Boston play. Huge shout out to our drama students and to Mrs. Thompson and Mrs. Ratliff for their success and their hard work on the play. Students did an excellent job, and we're very thankful that we have such dedicated drama program at SMS. A couple of things that are upcoming. Parents, if you haven't already done so and you would like to purchase a yearbook, you can send your money in for those. They are $22. Also, May 13th from 6 to 8, we are having the father-daughter dance. It is $10 a ticket. And upcoming for this week on Monday, we do have an admin team meeting. On Tuesday, we will be having reading map assessments. On Wednesday, we will be having math map assessments. On Thursday, we will be having language map assessment. And on Friday, 8th graders will take the 8th grade on-demand assessment, and 7th graders will take science map. Also on Thursday, we do have spring pictures, parents, and cheerleading tryouts are on Friday for SMS from 3 o'clock rather to 5:30, and then every Friday is Bring It Friday. Over the weekend, we do have our spring band concert. FCHS will begin at 3 o'clock, and the students who completed the RILA essay and were selected for that camp, that is also going on over the weekend. We do want to take a moment and shout out to Aubrey Jones and Wyatt Hamilton. These two students were caught helping clean up after the volleyball game. Both are great kids here at SMS. Huge shout out to them. I've seen them do several things like this year, so this is just us catching them in the act. So thank you, Aubrey. Thank you, Wyatt, for helping keep SMS clean. The Achieve 3000 leaderboard for this week. Congratulations on Monday to Katie Hammond, Tuesday Savannah Orhood, Wednesday Gabby Lear, Thursday Kobe Nickerson. On the weekly top score board was Katie Hammond for this week, and the two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Gabby Lear with 8 for grade 7 and Dale Eddington with 3 for grade 8. And then we have had a few movers on our Alex leaderboard. No one's jumped yet, but these students up here are getting very close to making it to the next content. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.